What's up, Dawn Nation? Trancestep. It's a genre. The stronger the G in genre, the better. Genre. Anyways, this is a free sample pack for Trancestep, which is actually from AU5, Halion, and Matthew Steeper's song, Was It You? It's a wonderful song. Fantastic song. Probably one of the best songs that has ever been recorded in this studio. Recorded right over there. Pretty freaking sick. Anyways, it's a free sample pack. But the question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's figure it out. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's keep going. Crystal sword being opened up in the frick is it called? The Costco. Just kidding. A cave. The other C word. There we go. I don't know how he does this. This is so good. Let's say what is it? Drum loop? That snare slaps harder than the Kool-Aid guy coming through my wall as a kid. Oh, nice. Piano loop. The crystal raindrops in your Costco. Oh gosh, this is so nice. Oh, just everything about it. Trancestep. It's a thing, apparently. Wow. Anyways, if you want this free sample pack, there is a link down below. Also, you can head on over to dawnnation.net/Dawnnation.net/WIY pack. Was it you pack? WIY pack. Dawnnation.net/WIY pack. It's a freaking mouthful. Anyways, if you love this sample pack, we actually have an entire course where AU5, Matthew Steeper, and Halion all break down how they made their song, Was It You? AU5 goes over all the music production stuff. Matthew Steeper and Halion go over all of the vocal production stuff. And by the way, Matthew Steeper, the best vocal producer ever. The biggest person out in the game. Not physically, but it's very lean, very muscular. Anyways, if you want to check out that course, you can head on over to dawnnation.net/WIY. Not WIY pack. That's for the sample pack. If you go to dawnnation.net/WIY, that's where you can see the course. Anyways, go check it out right now.